In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade on the Ctrader platform. First, head to the Ctrader platform. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app if you have it installed. The interface is similar across versions, so the process will feel familiar no matter which one you choose. Next, log into your trading account or create a new one if you're just getting started. Follow the on-screen prompts and complete any required verification from your broker. If you're new to trading, consider starting with a demo account first so you can practice in a risk-free environment. Before you place a trade, make sure your account has funds. Check your available balance and margin in the account area so you know how much buying power you have. Keep in mind that leveraged products can amplify both gains and losses, so only trade with money you can afford to risk. Open the Trade Watch panel. This is typically located at the bottom of the screen and gives you quick access to your watch list, orders, and positions. If you don't see it, look for a toggle or view option to show Trade Watch. From your watch list or the symbols list, double-click the instrument you want to trade to open its chart. Take a moment to review the spread, recent price action, and your preferred time frame, so you're confident about the context of your trade. Now choose your order type. A market order executes at the best available price right now. A limit order lets you set a better price and will only fill if the market reaches it. A stop order triggers when price crosses a specified level, often used to enter on momentum. Pick the type that matches your plan and market conditions. Set your trade parameters. Select your volume or lot size and add a stop loss to cap your downside and a take profit to lock in gains. You can enter these in price, pips, or monetary terms depending on the panel options. Check the estimated margin, fees, and potential risk before you proceed, and make sure the numbers align with your risk management rules. When you're ready, click Buy to go long if you expect price to rise, or Sell to go short if you expect price to fall. Confirm any prompts and watch for the placement notification. Your active trade will appear under the Positions tab in Trade Watch. Here you can monitor real-time P&L, adjust your stop loss or take profit, add notes, or close the position when your plan calls for it. Keep an eye on margin levels and volatility, and remember to trade with discipline. That's it. Your first trade on Ctrader from start to finish.